My dear students, I am solving the paper ICSE Board 2025-26 Mathematics. I already solved MCQ from 1 to 10. Now this is third video where I am solving MCQ from 11 to 15. Now this is a question on similar triangles. Similar triangles, there are some properties. The area of two similar triangles is same as the ratio of the squares of the corresponding medians or altitudes or angle bisector and the corresponding sides. The area of similar triangle is R in the ratio 9:64. This is given. Area of two similar triangles, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is given 9/64. Now first ये थ्योरम अप्लाई करने से पहले हमें देखना होता है कि ये ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है, नहीं तो हमें प्रूव करना पड़ता है. नो दिस इज गिवन. तो नो नेक्स्ट इज एरिया. जब भी एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल का रेशियो पूछा होता है तो क्या होता है, द रेशियो ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल इज सेम एज द ratio of the squares of the corresponding heights. Now here is heights. Altitude means heights. So this is equal to area of triangle 1, area of triangle 2 is equal to h1 square upon h2 square. h1 square upon h2 square mean height or altitude, one and the same thing. This value is given 9/64 h1 upon h2. You can write h1 upon h2 whole square, or you can say 9/64 root is equal to h1 upon h2. So this is equal to 3/8 is equal to h1 upon h2. You got the answer. The ratio of the corresponding altitude, it means h1 ratio h2 is equal to 3/8. Option is A. This is your answer. Now next, MCQ number 12. What must be added to x cube plus 7x square, x cube plus 7x square plus 3x plus 2? What should be added? Let k be added. Any k or m, n or something y. What must be added to this polynomial so that the result is completely divisible by x plus 2? Completely divisible by x plus 2. Now we added k. Now this polynomial is completely divisible by x plus 2. Completely divisible by this means this is a factor of this. You can write f of x. You name it f of x. We know when fx is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is f of minus 2. इसमें हम इसका जीरो निकाल लेते हैं. x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. So the remainder is f of minus 2. Now he said when adding k, this is completely divisible by this. It means this is a factor of this. This becomes factor. When this is a factor, remainder is 0. So f of minus 2 is a remainder, that should be 0. So solve it. You put the value of minus 2 here. Minus 2 whole cube plus 7 minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 plus k equal to 0. Now this becomes minus 8 plus 7 into 4 minus 6 plus 2 plus k equal to 0. Minus 8 plus 28 minus 6 plus 2 plus k equal to 0. Now this becomes 20, minus 8 plus 28 is 20, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4, plus k is equal to 0. 16 plus k equals 0, k is equal to minus 16. What should be added to this to make the polynomial completely divisible by this? We got the answer. Let k be added, mean we got the value of k, minus 16. This is your answer, minus 16. This is option is B. Now MCQ number 13. In the given diagram, the triangle AOB is a right angled triangle and C is the midpoint of AB. The coordinates of the point which is equidistant from the three vertices. One vertex is this origin, one is A and one is B. Now there are three vertices. Find the coordinates of the point which is equidistant from three vertices. We know the point which is equidistant from the three vertices, that is called circumcenter of the circumcircle. We know we can draw, if this is a midpoint, suppose this is a triangle, how to find the circumcenter of a circumcircle? We draw the perpendicular bisectors of any two, yeah, all of three. We get the point which is called circumcenter of the of the circle. Now this is a circumcenter. This is equidistant from all the three vertices. So we can draw a circumcircle. And particularly if this is a right angle triangle, so how to draw the circumcircle which passes through all the three vertices? Suppose this is ABC. We draw the perpendicular bisectors. We draw the perpendicular bisector. We'll get the point on the hypotenuse, in the midpoint of the hypotenuse. This you know. It means, and this is the equidistant from these three vertices, which becomes a circumcircle. So keep it in mind. To find the point which is equidistant from three vertices, if it is a right triangle, then the midpoint of the hypotenuse is the point which is equidistant from all the three vertices. So it means if you find C, you will get the answer. And this is also given. C is the midpoint of AB. So we have to find the midpoint of AB. A is 0, 2y and B is 2x, 0. So C, to find C, using the midpoint formula, let it be AB. हम इसको x और y भी suppose कर सकते हैं, but already x और y already used, so you use only A or B. By midpoint formula, A is equal to x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 upon 2, and B is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2, which is equal to 2x upon 2, which is equal to x, and B is equal to 2y upon 2, which is equal to y. Therefore C is equal to x, y. This is a point which is equidistant from all the three vertices. So this is the answer. Option is A. Next, MCQ number 14. Now this is a question on matrices. You know the product of two matrices is possible only if the number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows of matrix B. Then the product is possible. What is here? This is the order 2 by 2. एंड दिस इज ऑर्डर 1/2। पहली रो होती है, दूसरे कॉलम होते हैं। इसके कॉलम 2 हैं, 2, और पहली रो नेक्स्ट कॉलम होते हैं ये, और ये नंबर रोज क्या है 1। नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए 2 है और नंबर ऑफ रोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बी 1 है। दे आर नॉट इक्वल, दे शुड बी इक्वल। इफ दे आर इक्वल, नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए equal to number of rows of matrix B, then the product is possible. Now he said A is this, B this, product AB is a matrix is of order what? If it is of order 2/2, 2/1, 1/2, or product AB is not possible. Just I explained this is not possible. So option is D. This is the answer. MCQ number 15. Now this is a question on assertion and reasoning. The 9th term of a geometric progression GP, this is GP is given 6 minus 12, 24 minus 48 is a positive term. 9th term of this GP is positive. Let us find. Here A is 6 and R ratio, second term divided by first term, we get -2. This is R, this is A. So how to find 9th term? A9 is equal to AR raised to power 8, which is equal to A is 6, R is -2 raised to power -8. Now he said this is a positive. Yes, minus raised to power even number. This is a positive, this is a positive, product is positive. Okay, this is positive. This is true. This is true. Now reason R, the value of -2 raised to power 8 is always positive. Yes, because a number, any number, negative or positive, raised to power even number is always positive. So this is true, this is true. Answer is both A and R true, and R is a true correct reason, correct explanation of A. Yes, this is a correct explanation. The answer is C. The answer is C. Now this was the MCQ questions from 11 to 15. Now I have already solved 10 MCQs. Now these are 5 MCQs. Now I have completed all the 15 MCQs. Please like it, share it, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you like this for more videos. Thanks.